What's up? Brian Tong here, and the next generation of gaming is coming in 2020 with Microsoft's Xbox Series X. Now, Xbox head Phil Spencer, he just dropped a whole bunch of specifics on the new Series X, and we've heard how beast this thing would be, but let's just get into it now that we have even more official details from Microsoft. The Xbox Series X will be its most powerful ever, obviously, with their own custom designed AMD processor that leverages AMD's latest Zen 2 and RDNA 2 architectures. It'll deliver 4 times the processing power of an Xbox One, giving developers 12 teraflops of GPU performance, which is twice that of the Xbox One X, and then 8 times the original Xbox One. So this is a massive jump and a true next-gen leap in gaming for the Series X in performance and graphics in its vertical black box design. Variable rate shading will allow developers to prioritize individual effects on specific game characters or environmental objects instead of doing it with every single pixel on screen. This is a technique that allows game developers to selectively reduce the shading rate in certain areas of the frame where there just isn't much going on, which improves the performance. Devs then also have the option to do the exact opposite and increase the shading rate in areas that matter the most and improve the visual quality there. So this technique will allow for more stable frame rates and higher resolutions without impacting the final image quality result. Another big feature coming is DirectX ray tracing to the Series X, which will be a first for console gaming. And yes, I know we've seen this in PC gaming, but this will bring true-to-life lighting, reflections that mimic real life, like this blaze of a fire reflecting on the surface of a car that you can see the difference with it on or off. And other examples in some of the demo shots here that just amp up the lighting details to make environments even more realistic and immersive. Now, the Xbox Series X will bring gaming to us even faster, always a good thing, right? It'll bring a solid-state hard drive for larger game worlds that will load up in a flash and then allow you to jump around those worlds without these long loading times. They didn't give us any kind of load time numbers, but you can assume it will be pretty fast. And yes, I know these are first-world problems, but it matters. Also, a new quick resume feature will let gamers continue multiple games from a suspended state and almost jump in instantly where you last left off without waiting for any long loading screens there. How many times, right, you're juggling between 2 or 3 games and you always got to wait for that load time? This is really nice. I love this feature. Plus, you got Xbox Series X's dynamic latency input. This is a new feature that synchronizes input immediately with what is displayed, so controls are even more precise and responsive. This leverages their high bandwidth proprietary wireless communication protocol with the player to console for their Xbox wireless controller. It'll also support HDMI 2.1 with auto low latency mode that allows it to set your connected display to its lowest latency mode, and then variable refresh rate to synchronize the display's refresh rate with the game's frame rate for the smoothest visuals without any of that tearing. And then if you want 120 frames per second support, you're going to get it with the Series X, so developers can exceed that standard 60 frames per second on consoles for fast-paced, more detailed action with your gaming. Now, it'll also support 4 generations of games, so it'll be compatible with existing Xbox One games, backwards compatible with Xbox 360 games and original Xbox games, plus games from Xbox Pass. And then you have Smart Delivery, which will let you buy the game just once and know that you're getting the right version of the game, whether you're playing on the Xbox One or a Series X. The Xbox Series X is expected to release sometime during the holidays this year with no official price set yet. Holiday season is October to December, so I've got to imagine maybe sometime in November when shopping is at its peak. But this is the most official information that we've received about the Xbox Series X to date, and it's going to be really an exciting year for gamers. So let me know what you think, right, in the comments. Do you like what you're seeing? Do you like these specs? Are you getting juiced about the Series X? Or are you like, nah, I'm good, I'm a PC gamer? Or maybe, you know, you're a Sony person. You don't like to cross. I love them all. So let me know in the comments because yes, I do read everything. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me that thumbs up, subs up, and hit that notification bell, ding, to get all my videos when they drop. And I just cover a whole bunch of tech, geek culture, gaming, all of that. So thanks so much for watching. Take care and be safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.